Out here on Trinity Lake for the second KPT. There's 24 anglers. Just had blast off. Beautiful morning. Clear skies. Water temp is 75. It's 5:47 a.m. We have to be back in at 2. Lines out at 2 and back in at 2. Not a lot of cell reception out here, so we have to try to get into the resort where there's some Wi-Fi connection so we can submit our fish by 4. We launched out of Minersville today. The water is still really low, so the launch ramp over there at the Trinity Resort was way too shallow for us. A lot of rocks on the bank, that's why. But let's see if we can get it done today. 14-inch minimum. Hopefully we can find some good ones today. Just gonna go straight across and then just work my way down towards the dam. You guys can see where I'm at, but never been here before. Well, I've been here before, but never fished it before. Excited. Looks like everyone has the same idea. This is the way towards the dam and the other mouth of the lake. So, let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get her done. We're on the board. Had 2 blow-ups already. This one finally committed. 14-incher. Barely made it. Peace. Get you some of this. Yeah, baby. Get you some. Beautiful. Get you some of that. That robo worm with that Voss nail weight. Look at that smallie. That is insane. Come on. We need to get some more on the boat, guys. Get you some more of that. Almost 16-incher. I'll take it. Thank you. Got another one. 12.25. We got to be back by 2. 15.25. Come on. Let's keep upgrading, guys. Alright, day 1's a wrap. It's 1:46. We have to be lines out and back in that area right there by 2. So pretty much day 1 is over. Caught 2 nice ones. One, I think it was like 18.25, and I think the other one was 19.50. Did catch a limit. My smallest was 14 inches. Then I caught like a 15-incher and a 16-incher. So gotta try to hurry up and load the kayak back up and get it back on the car so I can head over there to the resort to log into their Wi-Fi so I can upload my fish. All of our fish have to be submitted by 4 o'clock or they are not counted for. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get everything loaded up so I can make sure all my fish are accounted for. It was definitely a grind today. Caught a couple on topwater first thing this morning. Actually only landed 1, and 2 of them blew up on my topwater this morning, but I don't know what happened. I don't think they did not commit. So I never had them on. They just blew up on it and that was it. Primarily today all my fish came on the Nico rig. using that 6-inch fat Roboworm Margarita Mutilator with the 5/64 ounce Voss nail weight. Nico rigging that on 7-pound test sunline. And I was actually catching them deep. I actually graphed all my fish today. Loving my Garmin. Don't have my live scope out here with me, but my Garmin definitely did help today. Saw a lot of fish out in about 16 to 25 feet. A lot of them were sitting on like trees, it looked like. So what I do is I'd go over it on my graph, just cast out a little bit ahead of my kayak, put my kayak in reverse and go backwards really slow. And just I was getting the bites that way, and like I said, most of my fish came off my graph. Don't think I caught any fish on anything else. Tried throwing the A-rig today, tried throwing a swim bait today. Couldn't find any other bite. Tomorrow I'm gonna try a few other baits. I did talk to a couple of guys out in the water as they were going by. They said it was tough as well for them. So I don't know if these fish are just moved out deep. When the sun comes out, the water temp is anywhere from 79 to 81 degrees. So I just think these fish kind of moved out. The water is cloudy. Maybe see about a foot or two. But other than that, I marked those spots for tomorrow again. Maybe just run to that one spot where I caught a quick limit towards the end of the day. Might try and run that tomorrow as well, but hopefully we'll get out a little bit earlier tomorrow so I can throw a little bit more top water and see if I can get those to go. Alright, stay tuned for day 2. Day 2, Lake Trinity. It is 5:35. I'll just blast it off. Line's already in at 5:35 and blast off at 5:35. Line's out at 2 today. And you have to be off by 2. Have 83 inches. Apparently 94 inches is winning it right now. Got to get some more of those 18 and 19 inches today. Hopefully I can catch a limit of those. That would be amazing. Fish clean yesterday. Hopefully fish clean again today. I'm going to head right over to this area really quick and throw some top water. Did have a couple of them come up on top water yesterday morning, but they never fully committed, so had the Vixen on yesterday, tied on a buzzbait today. Let's see if they want this a little bit better this morning, and then I'll be heading way down yonder. Probably go work that first area where I first caught my 18 and then head back to work the area where I caught my 19-incher. I just don't know if they're always there or if the bait was pulled in and that's why that area loaded up, so but definitely we'll work a little bit longer today and see if we get it done. Other than that, another beautiful morning. Just a slight breeze. Water temp again 75 right now. It's supposed to be about another 94-degree temperature outside today. But it wasn't too bad yesterday considering we got off at 2, so it wasn't too hot, but having a great time out here. Fishing our second KPT event. See if we can get her done today. Get you some of this. First one, $18.50. I tell you, trying to measure these things on the catch boards is insane. Loving it. Thank you. There he goes. $16.75. Second fish in the boat. These fish are feisty, I tell you what. There it goes. Coming back up. There it goes. Caught another one. 16 inches. It's 7.12. Right before that one, literally on that point right there, I casted, and that thing was just taking so much drag. He went straight into a tree, broke me off. That had to be about probably another 19, 20 incher. It, like, I don't even know how to explain it. It took so much drag. It worked me. It was unbelievable. But these smallmouth here at Lake Trinity, they are a beast. Let me tell you, they got some shoulders on them. Once they know they're hooked or they see the net, man, they just start grinding, going way down deep, and they fight. They fight like crazy. But it's so much fun. Alright, let's see if we can upgrade some more, guys. Still got to catch a limit, actually, still. I think we only have 3 fish in the boat. Broke off that nice one right there. Mark that spot so we can come back a little bit later. Still not far from launch. We actually launched right there. Found this little area yesterday throwing topwater, so I thought I'd just come back and work it a little bit more. So far, it's paying off. Hopefully, we can get some bigger ones. Alright. Get you some of that. Finally caught a largemouth, a big largemouth. 17.5. There she goes. Let's get us some more of them. Still right here by launch. Just thought I'd come back through and work this area. Honestly, I'm just catching them all off of my Garmin. They're mostly primarily, see there's some fish moving in there, but primarily a lot of these fish, I see them sitting on wood or top of tree stumps. Like you see those stumps right there. These fish are just sitting right on top of those stumps there. Alright guys, 15.50. Caught us a small little limit. Alright, fish number 6, 14.5. Another largemouth. Fish number 7, 14.75. Need bigger ones. Get just some of that. Look at that largemouth. 16.75. Better upgrade. Let's get some more, guys. Need some 18 plus inchers. But I'm not going to be greedy. I'm having fun with these guys. These are nice looking fish. Lake Trinity. Caught another one. Seriously, the next cast caught this 15 incher. Another largemouth. Got another little guy. Got another one. 16.25. Get you some of that. Look at that largemouth. That's what I'm talking about. He tried to run me all the way up shallow. He was trying to run into that tree. And I caught him way over here off this point. And he ran all the way over here to try to run in this tree to cut me off. Get you some of that. Get you some more of that. 18 inches. Go on, buddy. I know you're stressed out. We had a good fight together. But you can do it. Get you some more of that. 17.25. Saw him on my graph. 20 feet of water. And he ate it. The Nico rig. 6-inch robo worm with the 5/64 ounce Voss weight. It's getting it done. Get you some more of that. 17.5 smallie. Let's go. It's 112. Alright guys, it's pretty much a wrap for day 2. It's 1:55. Almost there. Line's out at 2. Check out at 2. Then we gotta hurry up and go down to the resort so we can connect to Wi-Fi to upload all of our fish. I think I caught about 10 fish today, so it's gonna be a little chaotic trying to upload all my fish. I do mark them on my photos on my gallery, so I know that they're not the same fish. This way it's a little bit easier for me when I need to submit them. So caught 2 limits today. I think our biggest was 18. Got a few 17s I think and 16s. I don't know if it's enough to make the top 10. I'm hoping it is, but I don't know. For me, the bite was a lot better. Yesterday, I only caught maybe 5 fish, maybe 6. So, and I mostly just stayed straight across the way. Basically, I never went down to my other spot. I was going to, but it was already noon, and it's about an hour run for me, so I really didn't think it was worth it. Hopefully made the right decisions. Hopefully we got enough. Whatever the outcome, had a lot of fun. Beautiful lake out here. These fish, these largemouth and smallmouth, I tell you, they got some shoulders on them. These guys can fight. Caught all my fish using 7-pound test sunline. Again, had a lot of fun out here. And see what happens. Alright, sorry I didn't get any GoPro footage this time. My cards were full, so I didn't have my GoPro on. I just got some video cameras of my catches and my releases. Really nothing of my catches. So sorry about that, guys. But hopefully you enjoy it. Had a good time. Can't wait to come back. Alright. Here's the view from our cabin. Mom's been grilling out here every day for us. Awards just got done. Looks like we took 9th place. Here's the little cabin. Here's my car. Her little cabin. Mom's in there cooking. It's a cute little cabin. Marco. There's the lucky puppy. There's Dad's dinner. Has a full kitchen in here. And it has 2 beds. Nice, quaint little cabin.